MI-14004 UL Certified Tilting TV Wall Mount Installation. Use a stud finder to locate the center of the studs and hold the wall mount to the wall in the desired location. 3 studs are required with 16 inches of spacing from the center of each stud. Use a bubble level to ensure that the mount is level. Mark the center of the studs through the mount as shown. Remove the mount from the wall and drill the holes in the marked locations using a 3/16 drill bit. Hold the wall mount to the wall over the holes. Check the level once again and install the 6 provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Hold the wall mount to the wall in the desired location. Use a bubble level to ensure that the mount is level. Mark the center of the holes through the mount in the locations as shown. Remove the mount from the wall and drill the holes in the 6 marked locations using a 3/8 drill bit to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors fully until flush with the wall. Hold the wall mount to the wall over the holes, check the level once again, and install the 6 provided lag screws and washers and tighten until secure. Using the appropriate size mounting bolts for your TV, attach the right and left VESA brackets to the TV as shown. Ensure the tilt adjustment knobs on the side of each VESA bracket is facing towards the outside edge of your TV, or you will be unable to properly adjust the tilt of your screen. Loosen the security bolt on the bottom of the VESA bracket until only 0.2 inches of the top of the bolt is protruding out of the top. Hang the TV wall mount as shown so that the top of the VESA brackets hook onto the top of the wall mount. Then, lower the bottom end of the TV down into place. Tighten the security bolt back down until it is past the lip of the wall mount and the end of the bolt is almost touching the upper edge of the mount. To adjust the viewing angle of the screen, loosen the tilt adjustment knobs indicated here. Tilt the screen to the desired angle, then tighten the knobs back into place.